today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I set up for my eyelash extension clients. A lot of the time as lash artists, we do have a full day. We have back-to-back clients. These are just some really great tips no matter what field you're in order to save a little bit of time during your day. What I try to do as much as I possibly can is set up everything the night before, so just in case I am running low on time, if a client is late or if my sets are back to back and something goes wrong, I get glue somewhere, I always have a backup plan in case. You never know when it's just one of those days where no lash is sticking on. If you know, you know. But yeah, this is for my homegirls out there who just want to save more time, wanting to get more organized, wanting to be more prepared. Without further ado, let's get on to the rest of the video. Okay, so this is my holy grail. I got these boxes from Walmart and I have about 3 of these because I see about anywhere from 3 to 4 clients a day. And I'm going to be showing you guys why this is one of the best things to have when you're a lash artist, if you're a hairstylist, or if you're a nail artist. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I have inside of here. Okay, in this box, I put in all the supplies that I need during an appointment. Before a client, I just grab it, set everything up, and I know I'm good to go. Starting off, I have some pink disposable gloves, and as you'll notice, a lot of my supplies are pink just because it goes well with my theme. Next, I have an under-eye gel patch, a disposable mask, and in this little Ziploc bag, I have all of the small little things like a couple of glue rings, a microfiber brush, disposable lip brushes I use for priming, and a mascara wand. If a client's coming in for a fill, I also like to have the lashes that I'll be using on them all set and ready to go. This is a dental bib that I use to cover my lash table. After an appointment, I find it super easy when I just gather all of the disposable things and wrap it up with the dental bib and just throw it away at the end of the appointment. I take this pink doggy pad and use it as a pillow cover and switch it out after every client to make sure everything is sanitary. Another thing that I like to switch out for every client is the cover for the lash bed. I don't really like using cloth sheets just because it creates a lot of unnecessary laundry at the end of the day. So I really like this lash bed cover I got from Amazon. It has pre-made measurements that are specific to the average massage table, so you can rip out the perfect size and throw it away right after the appointment. And just a quick reminder that all of these will be linked in the description below. Here's a look inside my storage unit. Over here I have my tweezers, I have my dog pads and my dental bibs, and these are the sterilization pouches I use for my tweezers after I'm done cleaning them and take them out of Barbicide. I place it into this little pouch and I just take off the little protective paper and fold down. Okay everyone, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite tip was. Subscribe to my channel for future content. And follow me on Instagram @NazBeauty. Bye everyone!